It's a good thing. It's a good thing it didn't get back this far.
Yeah.
Plants. Still really nice. I mean. That's all over that one. The original entry gates.
Yeah, so it is more than 200 years old. There were 18 churches before, but right now there are only 2 left. Yeah, so the one we saw today in the morning in Chernobyl town, still functioning, and this one. So eventually there would be one service a year here to keep the place holy, as the priest told me, but I'm not sure if they are still doing that right now. But originally they would do this one service. Оркестра Михаила. So yeah, we would go inside, but
It's still really nice in here. Kept it really nice. Church. So closet area. Yes. I would not want to have been the guy that had to do that. Let's go up the side door and let's go up the old staircase to the top. Wood too. The thing I fear the most in life is coming true right now. And it's old wood stairs in an old 200-year-old church. But so far, ooh, it's dark up here. Sorry about the bang. Oh, this is a little sketchy for me. Thank you. Yeah. Yep. First star is kind of good. It's still there. Ooh, that's wobbly. Oh wow. There's maybe not.
No?
Nah, not for me. That one step is creaking. I don't trust that at all. Then the rail is kind of wobbly. I mean, maybe. We'll see. Fuck it. Why not? One in Chernobyl. Alright, well. Yeah. Inside the old bell tower of a 200-year-old church. Quite something. Definitely don't recommend this. The floor is very sketcy. And the ladder's missing several steps.
No?
Hey, ringing the bell. That's gonna be loud on the audio, that's for sure. But, all right, well, we came, we got up here, we saw it.
We should be careful. Soon people will start coming for prayer.
Yeah. And now my fat ass is going back down the sketchy ladder.